Mobile device security refers to the measures designed to protect sensitive information stored on and transmitted by laptops, smartphones, tablets, wearables, and other portable devices. At the root of mobile device security is the goal of keeping unauthorized users from accessing the enterprise network. Cell phone security has been a commonly overlooked threat for years. Phone security in general is one of those things that it's not a problem until it is, and when it is, it's a big problem. Every bit of practical information and access now fits in the palm of our hands, inside our smartphones. Learn how to mitigate the risk that cell phones carry as attackers turn to target them. Today's mobile phone is a networked computer, a data storage device, a navigational device, and a sound and video recorder. It's a mobile bank and social network hub, a photo gallery, etc. That's great, right? Sure. However, all of these functions make our mobile devices desirable targets for malicious actors. Mobile usage is nowadays almost 80% compared to other devices. Every person in the globe is using mobile device for personal and business use. Computer hacking is danger, but mobile hacking is most danger than other devices. Imagine if hacker success to hack your mobile device. He can watch all of your contact, all of your social media accounts, bank accounts, other accounts, call records, even he can use your camera and listen your call records, your location, each and everything about you. If you don't know how mobile network works, at least learn about mobile security to protect yourself.